So you are planning to go natural. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy for you. Give me a hug. Happy dance. In this video, I'll tell you all the pros and the cons to consider when going back natural coming up. Hi and welcome back to my channel, New Growth Naturals. If we are meeting for the first time, my name is Samantha. I'm a natural hair specialist. I specialize in natural hair care, natural hairstyles, and so much more. I like to laugh too. So on this channel, I post videos on how to care for your natural hairstyles, DIYs, just about anything related to your natural hair. So let me know your concerns about your natural hair, your questions, and I'll answer you in the comment section below. So just jump right into what this video is about. I'll be showing you all the pros and the cons to consider when you're transitioning back to natural hair, and I'm gonna also show you video clips and photos of some of my clients that have successfully transitioned from relaxed hair to natural hair and then doing the big chop later on. So put your seatbelt on and let's get ready to go. So I'm assuming that you don't know what it means to transition from relaxer to natural hair. Basically, transitioning is a process in which you stop putting relaxer on your hair and you're allowing your natural hair to grow out of your scalp. So whatever curls or curl pattern you may have, you'll now discover that, and throughout that process you'll be gradually clipping the ends of your relaxer off and allowing your hair to transition into a natural state. That's natural hair 101 for you in a nutshell. All right, so with that said, let's jump into the pros. Girl, you're gonna love your curls, you're gonna love your new texture, you're gonna be touching it, you're gonna be looking at it, you're gonna be you're gonna wonder what your curl is gonna look like, and I hope it's something that you were hoping to see. Like, I hope that it is the curl pattern that you wanted, and even if it's not, hey, that's what God gave you. Be happy. And there's endless possibilities to do with your natural hair regardless of your texture. Natural hair is just so beautiful, so versatile, and let me not jump off into that now. Another pro to consider is that when you're transitioning, as opposed to big chopping your relaxer off, you'll be able to play around with different styles. For example, you can do different kind of curly styles, rod sets, for example. You can braid your hair up. There's so many. The possibilities are endless when it comes down to styling. Most persons choose to transition as opposed to doing a big chop because they don't think that their hair would look nice when it's in a short state, and they'll be uncomfortable and they're gonna wonder what persons are gonna think. And so to make the process a lot easier, they just want to gradually go into the natural hair, and that's quite okay. It's okay. I transitioned, but you didn't know that I had relaxer. Let's not go off on that again. Right, so it is a very nice experience for some person. Some person it's horrific because, like I said before, you did not do your research, so you did not know the pros and the cons. And with that said, I want to jump in some of the cons for you. First thing first, the maintenance. It's pretty hard to maintain two different textures, because when you have curls growing out of your scalp and then you have that line of demarcation where you have the relaxer, it's going to be difficult, especially during detangling. And you're going to find that the products that you normally use on your relaxed hair, you can no longer use on both texture, because if that makes any sense to you, your natural hair requires more moisture, different type of products to keep it moist, to keep it sealed, to keep whereas the relaxed hair is a bit weaker. You're going to continue doing your protein treatment, and that's just to keep your hair strengthened so it doesn't break off too much. And I suggest that you get your hair treated professionally at least once per month, and allow your stylist, let them know that, listen, you don't want to cut a lot off, but at least cut a little bit off each time, just to help you with the detangling process. That will, trust me, that's a tip that you need to take. That will help you to detangle both textures. Another con to consider when transitioning from relaxer to natural hair is that it can be costly. Yes, because you're not familiar with what products works for your natural hair, and then you have to deal with the relaxed hair at the same time. You may have challenges finding a product that works for both texture. And it's going to be so much easier when you find that one product or a set of product that works for both texture. That's going to make the transitioning phase so much easier and smoother. Like I said, you can transition from home or you can seek help from a professional. Whatever you're trying to do as much research to help you through this process, and don't forget to come here and hit me up. I'll walk you through the steps. I'll comment below. If you're transitioning right now, comment below. If you're considering to transition, comment below. If you had transitioned before, let me know in the comment section what your experience was, and that may just well help somebody. I know you had struggle, girl, and I know you want to help somebody else, so comment below and let me know. Without further ado, let's jump into the clips that I promised you early on from the clients that I had, some of the clients that I had that were transitioning. Before I go to the other clip, I forgot to tell you that you need to subscribe. Yeah, subscribe to my channel so you get updates when I post videos on how to care for your natural hair or whatever it is that you want to know about your hair. So subscribe and click that notification bell so whenever I post, you'll get a ping. Let's continue this video.